Good day everyone. This video will be discuss the topic about opportunities, challenges, and power of media and information literacy. Will be presented by Group 1. So, what is opportunity? Opportunity, it is a set of situations that make it possible to do something. These are the positive effects brought by the media. There are 4 dimensions of opportunity in media, which is our economy, education, social, and politics. Economy is an area of production, distribution, and trade, as well as consumption of goods and services by different agents. The internet provides great opportunities to improve our life for all users. It has positive effects on economy, such as grow new industry, film production, entertainment programs, print, broadcast, mobile communication internet, advertising, and public relations. Education. Education is the process of facilitating learning or the acquisition of knowledge, skills, values, beliefs, and habits. Also, multimedia is a form of communication that combines different content forms such as text, video, sound, graphics, and animation, thus providing a powerful new tool for education. Next is social. Social, it means relating to society or the way society is organized. The internet created the opportunity for the social media to thrive, allows communication and information sharing with larger groups of people instantaneously. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Google, YouTube, and Messenger can be used by individuals to share information or communicate to each other. And lastly, politics. Politics is the activities associated with the governance of a country or other area, especially the debate or conflict among individuals or party having or hoping to achieve power. Political impact means one of the ways that social media transport politics is the sheer speed at which news, poll results, and rumors are shared. Now online news is a 24/7 phenomenon. Additionally, voters now can interact more easily with candidates and elected officials.
Next topic is challenges. Challenges is something new and difficult which requires great effort and determination. These are the risks, threats, or the negative effects brought by media. The examples of challenges in media are illegal content, cybercrime, copyright infringement, and etc. Illegal content is any type of content that could be damaging to young people, including real or simulated violence, sexually explicit content, illegal images of child sexual abuse, content promoting hate based on race, religion, or sexual preference, and content that promotes extreme dieting or taking drugs. Cybercrime, also called computer crime and computer-oriented crime, is the criminal activity carried out by the means of computer or internet. Examples of cybercrime are online scams, identity theft, hacking, cyberbullying, and many more. In cybercrime, we have the Law of Republic Act number 10175, also known as the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, or the Anti-Cybercrime Law of the Philippines. This Republic Act aims to address illegal issues concerning online interactions and the internet in the Philippines. Copyright infringement. Copyright infringement is the use of works protected by copyright law without permission, infringing certain exclusive rights granted to the copyright holder, such as the right to reproduce, distribute, display, or perform the protected work or to make derivative works.
And last topic is power. Power in media, it is the ability to influence people's thinking, emotions, and behavior. sharing public opinion. What we talk about often come from what the media highlights. News, social media, and ads all influence how we think and act.
Cultural influence. Media reflects and shapes society. It can reinforce stereotypes or challenge them, promoting inclusivity and new perspectives. Political power leaders. Political power leaders use media to connect with people, while journalism works to keep those in power accountable. Economic impact. Advertising and social media drive what we buy and how businesses grow. Influencers and brands shape trends and spending habits. Misinformation in the digital age. With endless information at our fingertips, false narratives and propaganda spread easily. Media literacy is more important than ever.